I'm Billy Green.
And I'm Ty Boyd.
We're with the Boyd and Green Group with Alan Tate and Beverly-Hanks Realtors. We're in the Dutch Cove community of Canton.
So we're at 421 Bunny Run Road, about 10 minutes outside of downtown Canton. So we're just over 30 acres here. About half of the property is open pasture land with multiple creeks. The other property is a mix of hardwood trees. The cabin behind us, we have an RV spot, well and septic and underground electric on the property.
It is very unique for mostly raw, vacant land to go ahead and have your main amenities in them being water, power, and septic. So yes, very unique to this property, and work already done for you and get you ahead of schedule. Current owner has used this as like a little getaway for the weekends and spend the fall time of year here. Yeah, just to get away from the city where they live and enjoy some downtime and the peacefulness of the mountains and the quiet community here in Dutch Cove.
The owner, while they've been here in the past, has also outfitted the cabin as more of a loft overnight stay for them while they're in, to be able to enjoy the view as you look out from the property as well.
I enjoy selling the land. For the main part, it gets you outside and walking or using an ATV to get up on the land and seeing areas that typically would not be accessible just by foot to get to.
How many little cows we see?
Two, that's 4. The main reason that we live in the mountains is to be outdoors, take in the landscape, the variety of plants and trees.
We appreciate you taking the time to take a tour with us today at 421 Bunny Run Road. If you need more information, feel free to contact us.